Hi everyone, welcome you all in T3P. In this quick video, I'm going to share 5 courses which are related to AWS Lambda, which is related to serverless computing in AWS. So the thing is, what are those courses are? You can see in the list. The first course is about AWS 0 to Hero. Next is about easily to become architect in AWS. Third course is related to serverless computing in AWS. Fourth course is getting started with AWS Lambda function using Python, and the last course is AWS plus serverless framework complete guide. So these are the courses will help you to learn AWS solution architect and the serverless computing in AWS. So these all courses are free, and I have shared these courses here. You can see the links is also there, and these courses are absolutely free. No need to provide mention any code for that one. Let's see what are those courses are. First course, when I talk about AWS 0 to Hero, it's like 2 or 3 hours course approximately, and here you will learn like from the introduction, and here you can see the demos are given, means lab sessions are there, so you can learn hands on here in terms of learning. Second course is about learn AWS easily to become architect, and in this course if you will see step by step all the core services are covered, either it is compute, either it is storage, networking, databases, migration services, security, application integration, everything is covered within this course, and this course is around 5.5 hours. Next course, what we are talking about, serverless computing in AWS. In this course, if you will see, you will start from the evolution of infrastructure, where we will provision infrastructure through serverless computing, and how means this serverless computing works. As you know, when we are talking about serverless, it doesn't mean we don't need the server to run our application, but the thing is, we no need to take care of that one, no need to manage, no need to pay for that one. We just need to pay for which our function is running, how many times you are running, how much length of that function running. For that one we need to pay. So these are the two parameters when we are paying for the serverless function. Next course is getting started with AWS Lambda function using Python. So here also it's like only 1 hour's course, but it is very useful. If you see, there are bite-sized videos, so it will give you more insight about AWS Lambda function using Python. In the last course, it's about AWS plus serverless framework. It's a uh, approx 2 hours course we can say, and in this course you will also learn from the basics of Lambda. Then you will get started. Here you can see the sessions where they will invoke, they will roll back, they will set up everything. It is done here. So I think these quick courses will help you to learn in AWS and serverless computing. I hope you find this video helpful. Just check out the description box where I mentioned the links of each courses. So keep learning, keep transforming, and stay tuned for next video.